Biafra Liberation Army captured a weapon belonging to Hope Uzodinma coming to Imo State. No be small thing, no. They say the China ship that come to Nigeria bringing weapon. That China ship is bringing weapon to Hope Uzodinma. And the Biafra Liberation Army intercepted it and take over the weapon and they burn it to ashes, according to Simon Ekpa. Okay, my people, you're welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give this channel a follow and also rush to our YouTube channel and subscribe over there and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you'll be the first person to get that. We'd always drop our link of our YouTube for all the our video for Facebook, so that once you click it will easily for you to go to our YouTube and subscribe. Okay, my people, no be small thing, no. They say katakata don dey and they say water don pass garri. But we'll go look into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. The PM will be Simon Ekpa don come outside come talk say they say the ship will come to Nigeria bring weapon to Hope Uzodinma, and the Biafra Liberation Army captured this weapon on the way coming and also burn it to ashes. No be small thing. We'll go ahead, go play you the video, may you watch, and we will come back, we will continue.
For people today, you know when the Chinese warship came to Nigeria. Some of you know that some time ago, the Nigeria, Chinese warship came to Nigeria. Do you know what the warship came to do? Some of you don't know. The warship came with arms and ammunition to supply to Hope Uzodinma to fight against Biafra. I have not made this public. They came with enough load of weapons. And of course, it is not by the book. It is black market. They came with those weapons, and it was ordered for Hope Uzodinma to use to kill Biafrans in Imo State. And you know what happened? Biafra Liberation Army dealt with whoever that was bringing that weapon, and it didn't get to Imo State. I'm telling you that today. The weapon did not get to Imo State, and we watch as the Fulani Janjaweed that was in charge of bringing it to Imo State was lamenting that the Biafra Liberation Army intercepted it and burnt everything to ashes. I want to share that particular news today because I have never shared it with the Biafra people. But today I'm going to share it. And of course, so we are going to be checkmating them. All those trailers coming to Biafra land from tonight, everything will be searched. And once you are stopped, don't stop. You see what will happen to you. We will not allow you to bring any weapon from the British to Biafra land in Enugu. It can never happen. You use this particular visa collection as a cover to bring weapons to fight against Biafra. It is not going to work. We will intercept you on the road, and we'll do to you what we do to the enemies of Biafra. So I want to thank everyone and let the Yapotoba, if it is Igbo people. I have dropped this particular message this evening, and I thank you very much for tuning in. The ladies and gentlemen of the press, I thank you all for tuning in into this particular broadcast this evening. And in the next few minutes, in the next 15 minutes, we are going to be live again with our United States tour. The Prime Minister touring the United States, touring the world, and the United States is our next destination, as we have visited them before. So don't miss that particular broadcast. It is coming in the next 15 minutes. May God bless you. May God bless Biafra. May God bless the Biafra Liberation Army. May God bless the Eastern Security Network. May God bless the Black Marine, the Biafra Navy. May God bless all of you. And God bless the Biafra Republic Government in Exile and our cabinet. We are going to fight till the end, until our freedom is pronounced. We are going to fight until the independence of Biafra. We are going to fight until we exit Nigeria. It does not matter how long it takes. It does not matter what is going to take us. And let me tell you, the delegitimization of Nigeria in Biafra land have started. Those roadblocks, those checkpoints that think that they will continue to facilitate the disappearance of Biafra youth, I am telling you, it does not matter how long it takes. We will get rid of you and dislodge you from every checkpoint you have in Biafra land. And it has started. Any Biafra army that engage any terrorists in the checkpoint, make sure that they will never come back to that place. May God bless you, and may God bless Biafra.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and they had everything that appear will be Simon Ekpa said for this particular video. I beg our may you leave your own opinion and more know what you think for this video where you don't watch like this. No be smart, you know. May we go ahead, go read that waiting they go on for Enugu. They say Katala don't bust for that side though. They say no be small thing they happen for Enugu. May you stay tuned where we go ahead go look into wetin dey happen for Enugu right now. They say 3 persons have reportedly killed in suspected herdsmen at Obiago community in Nsukka local government area of Enugu state during an invasion, and this incident reportedly happened on Monday. He said that this Fulani herdsmen invaded one community where they call Obiago community in Nsukka local government area of Enugu state, and they killed 3 people for inside that place. As he said, this herdsmen see they terrorize our state. The people in charge, ESN and Biafra Liberation Army, I beg go, may una go save people for over there, because if they look when these people go come save the people, they no go come. May una look into this matter and make sure say these people are safe. This thing is actually happening in Enugu, Obiago, Nsukka. So my people, now so we'll see them this morning, and now say we'll bring a con give una. We'll go look into the next matter we will get for hand today. Please don't lament. Say no payment. How they no go eat and they go dey fight terrorists will be Boko Haram. Those people don't come outside, come Paroputo, say government need to look into their matter, may they give them their salary and allowance so that they will get strength, take care of their family, and also get courage to fight Boko Haram. This is when you have a good government. This is what you see. You know, understand? If you get bad government. Okay, I'm going to go look into the matter as they talk. They say policemen, Nigeria policemen on Northeast operation lament hunger and no payment of 5 months allowances, and they are in war with Boko Haram. Don't be smart, you know. 5 good months police security is not being paid. Why corruption no go there for the country? Why things will move well? You don't own security, you pay security, because security, you're encouraging them to do the needful. So I remember in Europe how how much they pay their security, and they take good care of the security because it's their power. If they don't pay them, they will not do their work very well. So the security have to be paid so that they can be able to do their work. You know, this is the country where we find ourselves. Anything can happen. No be smart, you know. Okay, my people, now so we'll see them today, and I will say we'll bring and come give una. I beg me, you no forget to share our video, and no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Because if you dey subscribe for our YouTube channel, they share our video, you're encouraging us to keep on going. And on Facebook, follow our page. Most of you are not following our page. Most of you did not subscribe to our YouTube channel. I don't know what you are waiting for, but you have to do it to encourage us to do more good. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you being watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.